8 o'clock in the morning. I mean 8 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. God's sake. Guys, we are going, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Woke up at 7 o'clock. Plus it's on a Sunday. So, yeah, not very happy about that. Me, my grandparents are actually going bird watching, yes. Woke up at 7 o'clock just to watch some birds.
Why is it in the back?
Is Grandma not coming?
No.
Oh, for God's sake. So yeah, guys, we're going bird watching, so come along with us because I've got nothing else to do. I'm going to be bored stiff. And so yeah, I'll see you in the next video, probably when I get there or on the way.